Good morning, 17 January 2021. It is a chilly 12 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll go for a slow jog along the river today. See how it goes. Have a great day. Today's run is inspired, motivated by Lieutenant Richard Bloom, MIA, 1966. Thank you for your service and sacrifice, sir.
They had a bad day. Their little Tyke's truck is buried in the ice. And it ain't budging. It's stuck hard. Oh, right up by the rocks the ice is hard. Here it's at least an inch thick. .7 miles at about a 9-minute pace. Got to go down by the river, got to go down by the ice. It was a good run, fun run today.